Top 5 Meditation Tips for Beginners. Hello and welcome to Health Freshness YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Meditation is an ancient practice that uses specific tools and techniques to help practitioners center themselves in the present moment, encouraging self-awareness without judgment. Mindfulness, guided meditation, and body scan meditation are standard meditation techniques that can improve focus, concentration, mental health, and sleep quality. Meditation is a powerful tool for harnessing overall well-being and happiness. Regular meditation practice can be an antidote to the noisiness in our lives, centering us into a more balanced place where we can access our thoughts and emotions. Through meditation, you can better understand how to hone your awareness, connect to the present moment, and find inner peace or calm. Meditation requires practice and patience. Here are 5 meditation techniques to help start your meditation practice. 1. Find a space and position. Find a quiet, distraction-free area, then settle into a comfortable position. If you want to try a classic meditation position, try the lotus position, which involves crossing your legs then placing your right foot atop your left thigh and your left foot atop your right thigh. If you need additional support, use a pillow or purchase a meditation cushion. Meditation is a great way to increase your resilience to stress. If you have anxiety, it will help reduce your general tendency towards physiological over-arousal and calm your nervous system. Don't go looking for things to hear, see, or feel. Just let whatever rises up into your awareness do that and be naturally replaced by something else, whenever that happens. During the open awareness portion, if your attention drifts to past, future, or evaluative thoughts, briefly go back to one of the points of focus to stabilize your attention. 2. Take inventory. A body scan is a popular meditation technique whereby you move your attention from one part of the body to the next, typically in the direction of head to toe or vice versa. As you're performing a body scan, take note of any physical sensations. This meditation technique can help address the parts of the body experiencing chronic pain or release tension brought on by stress or an intense emotional state. 3. Lead with your breath. Breathing is a key component of meditation. Take some deep breaths, expanding your belly with a rich inhale and exhaling with a slow out breath as your belly contracts. As you breathe, concentrate on how your lungs expand, and your body relaxes as you exhale. Meditation can help with irritability partly because it helps you learn how to recognize you're having irritable thoughts before you've blurted them out in ways that end up generating stress for you. 4. Let distractions come and go. It's entirely normal for your mind to wander during meditation, especially if you're new to the practice. The purpose of meditation is not to stop your mind from wandering, but to notice when it does so you can gently redirect those thoughts without any judgment or frustration. Becoming aware of what you're thinking is the basis of successful cognitive therapy. You can't restructure your thoughts if you haven't first developed the ability to identify your thoughts. 5. Close your eyes. Closing your eyes during your session can help improve focus. By shutting off the flow of visual information, your other senses will heighten, and you'll be more in tune with the sensations inside you and happening around you. Embrace all the sensations with an open heart and mind. You can adapt these instructions however you want. Make your practice your own. Another useful goal for meditation beginners is being able to redirect your attention back to your point of focus without criticizing yourself. Meditation is a tool that you can access anytime to create greater empathy, peace and focus, regardless of what's going on around you. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.